Hey, welcome back to the Caribou Data Science Channel. I'm going to give you a quick introduction on how to get started with installing chat or GPT4ALL LLM client and chat client on ArchLinux. Okay, I say you understand in a moment why I say I'll get you started. Okay, but let's get started with the getting started. Okay, first you have to go download the GPT4ALL install file. Okay. You just go to Google, search for GPT4ALL, go to the site, download the Ubuntu installer. Now the thing to keep in mind is under the hood, all Linuxes are pretty much the same. So you should be able to run a program from one Linux system on another Linux system. You should be able to go to Red Hat to Slack or Slack to Arch. The actual executable programs and library should run, okay? Yeah, that's okay. Okay. Let's come over here now. Let's go to downloads. We are there. Okay, good. Now the reason it's called runs because it's actually an executable file. You actually run the file, but first we're going to change to an executable permission. We'll go to GPT. Now I can see that it is executable. All right. See up here, right? Three X's, which means it can be executed by anybody, both by the world, the group, and the owner. That's the blue set. Then we go to actually run it. Well, I need to mention before here because it's important to our story. I'm running ArchLinux on an Oracle virtual machine, which is itself running on top of a Windows 11 desktop or laptop. Okay, so you understand why that's important in just a couple moments. Okay, so let's go and do this install here. And even this part can take a couple minutes because you're downloading quite a large file. And of course, the actual models you download are actually a gigabyte. Okay, so as you can see up here, we now have the traditional icon. Okay, you click on that, and this is why I told you that why it's important that I'm running on an Oracle virtual machine. I have this same program running on my Windows 11 laptop without any problems whatsoever. But here it's saying that does not support that my CPU does not support AVX intrinsics. Well, yeah, the virtual machine doesn't, but the actual program does if I run it on top of the desktop itself. Okay. So next step, you come over here. I'm going to switch to my desktop here now. You come over here, start this up. Then you click on Load Models, or the Download Models, and you select the models you want to run. You can see this one just says Download. These first two are chat-based. The rest of them are more prompt-based. So anyway, you can see. So I've already downloaded two models. I've downloaded the Llama 3 Instruct, which is supposedly the latest and greatest one. Then you come over here and you select the model you want to use, okay? And let's see. Write Python. That's pretty simple. To calculate the area of a square or a rectangle. by squaring the sent file. And that's all there is to it, my friends. It really is that simple to install GPT4ALL LLM client and chat program on ArchLinux. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3, right? Thanks so much for your time. Of course, as always, be sure to click that like button for me. If you find this video helpful, be sure to share it with another one of your Arch friends.